Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we're going to continue on with the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. And so today we're going to do day 9 of the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. And these are going to be quick videos. We're almost done. We've got just a couple days left, so we're almost done. Just hang with me and watch everyone so you know all the great ornaments that come out of this pack that we get from Aldi. So let's go ahead and go take a look. All right, here we go. Day 10. We ready? Let's see what we've got. I can already see there's a Christmas tree on there. And these are 12 ornaments that we're making. And this package is from Aldi. And so this is a little decorated Christmas tree. So that's cute. They always put multiple layers of the background of whatever you're decorating, which is interesting to me, to make it, I guess, a little bit more hefty maybe. And again, from before, I don't like the hangers that they provide. They always do this bluish gray ribbon. I don't like it. So I went and bought this gold ribbon, gold braided ribbon, and that's what I'm using as my hanger for the rest of the ornaments that I'm going to be making here. So we're just going to put it all together. And this one literally is just a decorating activity because all we're doing is dressing a tree. So similar to what I did at home, I'm going to now do that on this craft. And I decided that I was only going to use some of what they provided, and I'm going to use other items that I did in fact get from the 25-cent Dollar Tree haul that I did the other day. So that's the plan here. All right, so what is that? Is that the tinsel, or what is that supposed to be? Lights, maybe? Maybe those are the lights. And then this is one of the craft items. They're stickers that I got from Dollar Tree that are on clearance for 25 cents. And they are perfect little Christmas tree balls or bulbs, or I don't know what you call them. But the little ornaments. They look just like little ornaments. So I thought that was perfect. So that's what I'm going to use to decorate my tree. So these stickers were not sticking on. So I did end up having to hot glue them onto the little tree. Now, if I would have used the little stickers that came with the package, it would have been fine. But again, I wanted to upgrade a little bit. So I'm using these Dollar Tree stickers that are not sticking very well to this felt. It's not even felt though. It's a very weird material. I don't know how to explain what it is. I am going to use their star at the top of my tree, however, because I thought it was cute. And that's it. Adorable. I mean, it's actually kind of cute. It looks like, again, a child's toy, but it's still cute no matter what. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Please remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.